Hello, amazing people. Do you know you can turn just a few simple ingredients like calcium carbonate and soda ash into a powerful detergent powder that not only washes brilliantly but also puts money in your pocket? Stay with me till the end of this video because I will show you step by step how to make high quality, high foaming and light in weight detergent powder that is cheap to produce, in high demand and very profitable. Do you want to know how? Get your jotter and pen and let's get started. We'll be using all these ingredients into this production. Make sure you wear your hand glove to protect yourself. Always produce in a well-ventilated area and keep all the chemicals away out of the reach of the children and pets. Let's continue. We'll be using 2 mixing bowls into this production. The first mixing bowl, I added my calcium carbonate into it, and the second mixing bowl, I added soda ash into it. Calcium carbonate will be using just 150 grams and soda ash will be using 300 grams. Then I added SLS water 30 ml into 150 grams of calcium carbonate. SLS water, I added it into it and I stir it. Stir it very well with the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate in detergent production, it makes detergent powder free flowing and prevents it from becoming too sticky when combined with surfactants. It reduces the overall cost of production while it's still giving the product bulk and cleaning feel. Too much calcium carbonate can reduce solubility of detergents in water. Powder may settle or clumped, lower overall cleaning performance if it replaces too much surfactants. That is why it's usually kept between 25% to 39% of the formula, depending on the product quality and target markets. In this production, we use just 29% of calcium carbonate. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Mix together until you get a dry powder that has no lumps. You can only achieve this when you take your time to mix it very well. Then after mixing, you set it aside to proceed to the next step. Have you subscribed to this channel? If not, hit the subscribe button. Subscription is free. It will always notify you when you turn on your notification bell whenever I drop another amazing tutorial just like this. And the next step is to add sulfonic acid 50 ml into soda ash already in the mixing bowl. So as we add sulfonic acid, you stir it. You can see that when I added my sulfonic acid into my soda ash, I did not use my hand to mix it immediately, because using your hand, it can hurt your hand, especially if you are not wearing hand glove just like me. So I first use my spatula to mix it together in order to avoid it being hurting my hands. I added the mini sulfonic acid, then I continue mixing it. Sulfonic acid are used in washing powder as surfactants to break down and remove dirt, grease and stains. By lowering water surface tension, they are highly effective, work well in hard water. And the next ingredient I'm adding is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate in detergent powder primarily acts as a filler. increasing bulk density for better packaging, handling and flow, and reduce the concentration of active cleaning agents. It also acts as a hard water softener by binding calcium and magnesium, which enhance the overall efficiency of the detergent. And I mix it together very well before adding my already mixed calcium carbonate. I gradually mix my calcium carbonate into the soda ash mixture. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Share this video to get to other people that might need these types of video. I continue adding my calcium carbonate until I added all the calcium carbonate into the soda ash mixture, and I continue mixing it. Now I'm using my two ends to mix it together in order to have a perfect product at the end of the day. So do not skip the mixing. You have to mix it together to avoid being lumpy. So, and as you can see now, mixing the calcium carbonate and soda ash together, you can see the texture. Even if you cannot feel it, you can see the texture that is very, very light. It's not clumping, it's light in weight. And also, like all this industrial detergent, like all this industrial powdered detergent. At this point, there are some other ingredients that you can add to it, but it's optional. Your powder detergent can be used like this. You can also add fragrance and other ingredients to it. And if you want to learn more on how to make powder detergent or any types of soap, bathing soap, bar soap, and other cleaning products, kindly get my WhatsApp number on the screen. Eye me on WhatsApp and just go straight to the point. Tell me what you want me to teach you, and then we can talk together and get started. As you can see, our powder detergent is high foaming. High foaming, the little that I added to clean water. Just take a look at it and it washes well. Don't just watch this video for the washing sake. Try it on your own. Even if you are not selling it, you can do it and make use of it at home. It's not everything you buy in the market. You can make your own. It is very easy to dissolve and is washing machine friendly. You can just try it today. Do it at comfort of your home, and at the end of the day, you will know that yes, this is your product that you are using as an household cleaning product. I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for always watching my video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.